Hi everyone. This is Nick from HighBrow. Please subscribe to our channel. Smash the like button. Welcome back to our new video. In this video I am going to talk about 4 steps on how to get your lover back. If you have found yourself alone after a breakup, you may be wondering what you can do to get your lover back. At the moment it may seem like it's impossible to get back together, but that may not be the case. Even when you think all hope of reconciling is lost, there are steps that you can take to get your lover back and improve the relationship that you had. If you play your cards right, you could be back together very soon. Are you in a situation where you want to know how to get your lover back? You may have been out of order from regular life for quite some time, and things just seem to be going downhill. It is not uncommon for a relationship to end because one of the partners decides it is no longer worth his or her time. When a couple is broken up, they sometimes feel like they are losing everything, including the freedom that was promised to them in the beginning. Before you start to panic, remember that there are certain steps that you can take that will hopefully bring you both back together again. Plan yourself before taking any steps. This is important. Most often people blindly approach the problem and arrive at the same position where they are now. Once you have had time to gather your thoughts, you can make a plan of action. You need to figure out what actions will be beneficial to both of you. If there has been infidelity, it is important to set up a meeting with your partner. Inform your ex immediately that you are aware of the situation and are now thinking about your relationship. If ex concurs, then a meeting will likely occur. When trying to figure out how to get your lover back, you should also consider your needs as a couple. For instance, you should think about what your partner can't do without you, and what he or she would love to do with you. Can you imagine having dinner together as a couple or traveling? There are many different things that a person can't do without, so try to include them in your future plans. You may need to plan a surprise trip, or include a romantic night at a nice restaurant. When the two of you meet, the most important thing to discuss is what led to your breakup. Your lover may be feeling exactly the same way, and may want to reconcile with you. If you are both willing to work on your relationship, your chances for success are greatly improved. One of the best ways how to get your lover back is to take some time apart from one another. Not only is this good for your connection, but it may help you figure out some things that you are both forgetting. There are certain promises you should make within yourself. Do not accuse each other of being guilty. This may only cause more confusion and hurt feelings. Instead, talk calmly and frankly about what is causing the problems. You may be surprised at the things you discover about each other once you start talking honestly. The first thing you must do is to communicate with your lover. This means that you should call, text, email, or meet in person whenever possible. Try your best to make sure that your messages are not rude or mean-spirited. This may be difficult to do at first, but if you just stay calm, everything should be fine. In the long run, it is very likely that your lover will miss being with you, so try your best to make him or her feel needed and wanted again. Following these steps on how to get your lover back will help you put your relationship back on track and get back together. Let's take a look at 4 easy steps that you can use to help in your quest to get your lover back. Not everyone's situation is the same, so you can adjust these steps to suit your situation. These 4 steps will certainly help to point you in the right direction. Many people have used these steps to save their relationship even when they thought that it was way past saving. Step 1. Forget about the past. If you do manage to save your relationship, you need to forget about the past. If you can't forget about the past, then it will keep coming back to haunt you. Whatever has happened between you in the past needs to be dealt with and forgiven. If you can't forgive your partner for something they did then, there is no point trying to save the relationship. Step 2. Don't wait for your ex to make the move. There is no reason why you can't make that first move. If you wait for your ex to make a move, then you could be waiting for a long time. You might be hesitant to make the move for fear of rejection, but you shouldn't let fear determine your life. If you love this person, then be prepared to take the risk of rejection. You never know, it just might pay off in your favor. Step 3. Don't go overboard. Don't rush in and start doing everything you possibly can to get your lover back. You don't want to appear desperate, and you don't want to annoy him by hounding him constantly. If you call your ex multiple times a day or text him, 100 times a day, you will just become a nuisance, and it will drive him further away. If you feel you need to call him, then limit it to just once a day. You will be surprised at how much more effective one call a day is over 20 calls a day. Step 4. Make yourself irresistible. Quite often when we can't have something, we want it even more. When your ex sees you and you are looking great and appearing confident, then he will be drawn to you. If you get out and have some fun, and he notices that you are happy and vibrant, he will want you back before you know it. Don't spend too much time flirting with other guys to make him jealous, as this can often have the opposite effect. Just have a bit of fun and show him what he is missing out on. Don't give up hope just yet of getting your lover back. Try the above steps and you may soon have that relationship back and be happier than ever together. Hope you find this video, 4 steps on how to get your lover back, useful. And if you want more videos on HighBrow, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. If you feel the content is useful, please hit the like button. I really hope this video helps, and if you have any questions or doubts, please leave a comment below and we will revert back.